Okay, okay, guys. It's been a little bit while since I did. Today I'm be doing my updated WWE collection, toy collection. So yeah, first we're gonna start with jakks. So to get it out of the way, so we got JBL, we got Deluxe Undertaker, we got Deluxe RVD, Kurt Angle, a Deluxe RVD right here, Deluxe RVD right here. They both don't have their both hair tie, aka Pinktail. We got Great Khali right here. We got Bobby Lashley, the former WWE champion right now. We got Tommy Dreamer, ECW. We got MVP, my last assistant. We got Matt Hardy. We got JBL without his inside his wrestling gear. We got Triple H. We got Chris Benoit. We got Jeff Hardy. We got Rob from the Highlander. We got another Tommy Dreamer, the skinny version. The other one was like the fat body version. They do it with a bunch of other wrestlers like Ric Flair. We got Hulk Hogan, Jax. We got the Big Show. Got Evan Bourne. We got Mr. Kennedy. Got Triple H. We got a broken Edge right here. We got Christian. We got Edge broken. We got a Samoa Joe TNA Fair. We got Rikishi Titantron 2000. We got the Rare Superstar Edge. We also got Umanga, aka Minga Deluxe. We got a fat version of Triple H. And we got Jack Swagger. Got Randy Orton. Got Undertaker. We got CM Punk with his long hair. We got Brock Lesnar or Hasbro right here. And we got like a Barry King Undertaker. Doesn't work anymore. And now I got new recently bought jakks figures. We got the lugs of Triple H right here. And I got another one. The reason why is because my dog likes to chew action figures. And this is for a replacement of one of the figures. I got Undertaker. Got the one I have. It's old, and plus I had to super glue the arm back on. Next, we got Mateo. We got this bag right here that I don't use. Action figures that I don't use. Basically, we got Scott Hall. We got, this is good figure, Andre Giant. It's mainly legends and other people. Ric Flair. We got Mr. Perfect. And also wrestlers that are that passed away too, or released wrestlers. We got Kevin Nash, aka Diesel. We got Caitlyn. We got Ultimate Warrior, R.I.P. One of my favorite legends of all time. We got Mr. Perfect. Well, Warrior was my favorite of all time. We got the very first, not the very first John Cena, but like starting his career-wise, John Cena and his green tights. We got Undertaker. That's from WrestleMania 29. We got WrestleMania 29 Sheamus. We got another Sheamus from WrestleMania 28. That's a Build-A-Figure. We got 2013 WrestleMania 29 John Cena. There's my dog Scooby. We got a Broken Kane that's from WrestleMania 29. And yes, I did play with these when I was a kid. And we got Rey Mysterio, Best of 2011. That's a right figure. We got Drew McIntyre. See, these two like to want attention, but they're trying to mess my figures up. Like this one, Mr. Chewer. We got Survivor Series Best of 2010, John Cena. We got Seth Rollins in his Shield year. We got Brock Lesnar when he was wearing tights from like 2003. Then we got, there's gonna be a lot of duplicates of certain wrestlers. We got Ultimate Warrior. We got Randy Orton, but I don't like I do love Randy Orton, but the figures they make Mattel for basics are trash. I like the older basic types, more movability. We got Big E, his first figure, the first time online. That's from WrestleMania 29. We got AJ Styles, first basic, first time online. Then we got like the updated Taker when you face Roman Reigns. Oh, bye. Hey, these animals are like ruining my video, man. Anyways, I'll continue. We got Basic Miz in the t-shirt series. I think they stopped making those now, which is sad. We got the first series Basic Undertaker. Scooby, will you go away? We got Macho Man Randy Savage, King, by the way. That's a King Macho Man. We got more. We got Paul Heyman from WrestleMania 29. That was in a belt pack with Brock Lesnar, but that Brock Lesnar that came with Paul Heyman broke. Now we got Lana. Sadly, I do not have her husband Miro yet. Waiting for his AEW figure to come out in the stores. We got Batista. We got Tamina Snuka. Sadly, I don't collect a lot. I don't have a lot of the divas, I would say. We got AJ Lee. Give me a second. Okay. Sorry, I had to fix something. We got Zack Ryder. I was like upset when they released him. He's one of my favorites. But I watch his YouTube channel with Kurt Hawkins. We got Zab Coulter here, his first figure. Damn dog. We got Ryback from Wrestling 29. It's not really from Wrestling 29. He wears something different from Wrestling 29. We got Chris Jericho from the first Basic Series 2. We got first time in the line of Ryback. We got Roddy Piper T-shirt series. We got Hornswoggle. That was like his second to last figure, I would say, for Mateo. We got the Shield Reigns from Wrestling 29. We got Kofi Kingston. We got Lord Tensai and Gaze WT from Wrestling 29. We got Natalia. Natalia, two former women's tag team champion. Now we got the actual Wrestling 29 Big E that came with AJ and a belt bag. We got The Miz in his purple gear. We got a messed up right arm. I bought most of these figures from swappies, basically, and the rest my family got me for Christmas/birthdays, or the rest I bought. Compared to the real Wrestling 29, didn't really like him that much. We got Santino Marella. He was funny. We got WrestleMania 29 Triple H. We got last but certainly is the life of the Shield member Dean Ambrose, aka John Moxley. We got Charlotte Flair. They came with that Ric Flair and a belt back. We got Bros Clay, WrestleMania 29. They came with the Lord Tensai figure from WrestleMania 29. We got Fandango for WrestleMania 29. His first time online figure. And we got Edge right here. I got that from the small page. We got Brian Fine Pillman. He came with a battle pack with D Ambrose, but I gave that D Ambrose to one of my friends. We got Zack Ryder right here in his blue attire, which I love. We got Stone Cold Steve Austin. We got Roman Reigns right here. See, I hate this. They made like the basics terrible now. They don't even bend much anymore with the arms. Now we got more leads. We got tons of elites that I put in a drawer, but I'm saving them for certain damages. So, and plus some are release wrestlers like this Buddy Murphy right here is first elite. We got the Legend Killer Randy Orton right here. Love that figure. I don't use it because I like to keep it clean. We have like the sort of updated John Morrison, but I don't use this figure because when I open it, it's really loose. Then we got Rare Superstar Edge in the red attire. Love that attire. We got like Seth Rollins in his white attire. I love. We got Seth Rollins in his Money in the Bank cash-in right here. And we got the Chase variant of Edge, the updated Edge, right here. I have a Seal Chase variant Edge. We got my favorite Undertaker figure is the American Badass Undertaker. Then we got Elite Diamond Dallas Page. We got Elite Pell Team Dream. This is his first figure. Then we got WrestleMania 33 Brock Lesnar. Reason I know how that is the WrestleMania 33 because the WrestleMania 33 Brock Lesnar has an open mouth. The Here Comes the Pain one, ringside collectibles one is face is sealed. We got the Big Show Elite. Look at it, just a big pop. Let's keep going though. We got a Christian. That's like 2012. That's the John Laurinaitis Build-A-Figure Christian that I got from online. Sadly, it did not come with a shirt or the or the title. Intercontinental title. We got DX Triple H. We got Elite 23 Triple H. And sort of his beginning attire. We got the WrestleMania 28 Chris Jericho. We got Heath Slater. That was his last figure. Yeah, Andre Giant. Now this one's broke. I don't use this one. I use the basic one to replace the elite one. We got another Undertaker, but this time elite. I think this is the Toys R Us exclusive. I could be wrong. We got my favorite, the Demon Finn Balor. We got another one of my favorite, Elite Dean Ambrose, aka John Moxley. We got Bobby the Brain Heenan. Elite. We got Rikishi from the Hall of Fame Target series. Sadly, I didn't get the bell. I bought that online. We got great entrance grades over. Sorry about that. We got a Big John Stud Elite. Now we got Ray Orton in his gray attire. Sorry, some animal was trying to be pain in the butt. Anyways, we got the defining moments Sting. I did have a sealed one, but I also gave that to one of my friends for his birthday gift. We got an Elite Cody Rhodes, and the animal I'm talking about is trying to ruin this video is this one right here. Oh, RP, one of my second favorite legend of all time, Dusty Rhodes. I do have this sealed. We got my favorite Elite Kane. Let's see. I think this is the Elite 9. I think that's Elite 9 or 12. I could be wrong. We got Bret the Hitman Hart from WrestleMania. That was a WrestleMania Elite series. Then we get Edge from the Hall of Fame Target set. Then we got Junkyard Stud. Then we got RIP Brody Lee, aka Luke Harper. I don't have any Brody Lee figures sealed yet, but I'm just waiting for one going. I'm waiting for more AEW figures to go into the store, like my Target or Walmart's. So we got Psycho Sid Elite. We got a red Target edition Omega. I don't have any Omega sealed yet. I'm trying to look for other ones, or waiting the perfect time to buy one seal. So yeah, we got Triple H Elite when you face Sting. Then we got the Terminator Triple H. Oh wait, sorry. This is the Triple H that faces Sting. This is the one that he faced. I think that was a Roman Reigns. And we got another Kurt Angle Elite. We got Kurt Angle Elite, man. Give me a second so I can close this drawer. Okay. Now we're gonna go more Elite. These have been doing really good. Area Elite been coming out for the years, or updated attires or updated facial looks. So like, yeah. So like, for example, we have a non-demon Finn Balor Elite. Then we got I got a updated Elite Sheamus. I started using the old one. We got a long hair Triple H from WrestleMania 27. And we got Bobby Fish. I didn't know this was a Chase variant. It was like I got that at Walmart. It was like, it was going for like $10 on clearance. We got Drew McIntyre. We got a Survivor Series series. John Morrison. I'm using that one. We got Ezekiel Jackson. We got Green Tiger 1. We got the Rey Mysterio in his black and yellow series attire. We got Jeff Hardy. Oh yeah, I do not have the Chase variant. So we got one of the members of the New Day and now WWE champion currently, Big E. The only person I'm missing out of the New Day is the Xavier Woods. We got the Hall of Fame series. Well, no, it's not Hall of Fame. Sorry, scratch that. The Legend series. Eddie Guerrero, lead from Target. We got Edge, the non-Chase variant. And we had like a recently John Cena elite. We got WrestleMania Elite Series Goldberg. Then we got a basic Stone Cold. Then I got this from SummerSlam, and I got it for updation, The Miz. We got there's two people I don't have updated for figure wise is Dolph Ziggler. That's his WrestleMania 29 set series. Now, then the second one's a Daniel Bryan, which will be showing later on. But we got Braun Strowman, his long hair. Then we got our current updated Randy Orton, his red attire. Love that figure. Then I am gonna get his AW figure, CM Punk. Then we got Pac, aka Neville. I am gonna get his AW figure. And we got R-Truth. I don't have him updated. Sorry, so I got like 3 figures that's not updated. Retired. We got Enzo Amore. Then we got Vladimir Kozlov. Then we got Sin Cara. Then we got Goldust. I'm gonna get his AEW figure. Hopefully, if it goes in the source. We got the Chase variant Shinsuke. I need to get one sealed. Then we got Brock Lesnar right here. I do not. Well, they haven't made his new look yet. As a figure yet. We got Evan Bourne in basic. We got. It doesn't matter. It's a Xavier from the New Day, but it's a different ring attire. So we got Reds. Okay, I'm gonna say 2018 Triple H when he faced Undertaker. Here's the damn Brown I'm talking about. I'm trying to get his last elite, or I just wait for his AEW figure to come, which that's gonna be a while. We got Samoa Joe. We got Batista. We got Dr. Smooth, aka Keith Lee. I do have his Chase variant. Oh yeah, 4th figure that's don't have updated yet. It's Sami Zayn, because they haven't made a lead of him yet, or a new figure yet. We got Alex Riley. We got The Rock. This is a second member of the New Day that matches the Big E, Kofi Kingston. We got Wade Barrett. We got Tez DiBiase Jr. We got Antonio Cesaro, another figure that hasn't come out yet, an updated version of him. We got Austin Aries, he's from TNA now. We got a basic RBD, which I heard we're gonna get more figures of him since he's a Hall of Famer now. We got Roman Reigns, the Golden Glove one yet. That's not coming till next year. We got Ricochet. We got Seth Rollins here. We got the World's Strongest Man, Mark Henry. It's in AEW. We got like a War Games, Kyle O'Reilly. We got the first AEW figure to ever spot Cody Rhodes. And the second AEW figure that I bought, this one was like, I think, over 4 weeks ago, John Moxley, former AEW champion. And we got Jinder Mahal. And we got Kevin Owens. And we got the Elite Usos. I do not have their updated tires. I think they're gonna make more, hopefully. In the Elite, we got the Street Profits, Montez Ford, and Angel Dawkins. Then we got WrestleMania 31, Randy. It's the Randy Orton that won the Royal Rumble. We got Robert Roode. That's the greatest entrance. We got Big Show Basic. Then we got the mustache, Cody Rhodes, so basic. Then we got Christian. Can't wait for AEW figure to come out, if there's gonna be one. We got Kane, the mask version. Then we got the non version, Kane. Then we got certainly Anna Cole and Lee, but I do not have. I need to get a new one of Adam Cole, sadly, since he's in AEW, but I'm definitely going to get his figure. We got the long hair version, the short Triple H, we basically Goldberg. We got Angel Garza, I think for a moment his name. We got Edge, WrestleMania Elite Series tire. And we got AJ Styles. Do not have an update. I don't technically have an updated AJ Styles, but yeah. We got the Dudley Boys, Devon Dudley and Bubba Ray Dudley. Then we got, that goes the Triple H, the DX one, the Shawn Michaels. And we got AK. I'm still upset that they released them. I love them. Is the Fiend, Bray Wyatt. I do not have his. I don't have a regular Bray Wyatt Elite, but I got a Fiend that's sealed. That's in the SummerSlam Series 1. And now the last figures that are recently still technically new. And I got. I don't know if this would be technically his. It might be his last Elite or last figure, the Undertaker from WrestleMania 34. I think it's 34. I don't pay attention on the numbers of WrestleManias. I just watch him, so don't judge me if I don't know the numbers. But also, I got same time I got the Undertaker, I got this Aleister Black, aka Malachi Black. I do not have the Chase Rare, and I'm trying to get one sealed. And now we got, I bought this online. I won from eBay, Hulk Hogan, basic. But I'm gonna get his new Elite though. We got Adam Page, AEW figures. I got more of them. now. There's a lot more. And we got Elite Karen Cross. And another AEW figure, the Chris Jericho, former Law Champion. And this is the recent loose figure that I bought from Target. The Unrivaled First, Kenny Omega. And today, sadly enough, I bought 2 elites that I got. They're from Elite A7, so I got the sealed. Haven't opened them yet. I got Otis, and last but certainly not least, I got the last Braun Elite figure since he got released, so I'm gonna get another one sealed. I'm gonna open this one, but I'm gonna get another one sealed. Keep that sealed. So yeah, look at this is all my wrestling figures. So yeah, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. There's gonna be more things to come on the channel, more videos. I'm gonna try. I post my videos once a day, so out of the week, once a week, and yeah. So comment down below what video you want to see next. It's probably gonna be more wrestling figures. I'm probably not gonna say I'm gonna film more Hot Wheels because I haven't found any recently that I haven't found any new stuff. So yeah. Bye, guys, and be part of the Cool Game Club.